So what was your favorite skill?
My favorite skill was learning how to do respectful vaginal exams because every other training I've done it felt so wrong. And I really appreciated being able to connect with people and learn how to just show respect and be it felt so much better than any that I've ever experienced throughout my 5 childbirths.
And how are you changed?
I am gonna stop saying try, and I am going to take responsibility for myself and stop trying to hide behind wishy-washy titles and just step out into my community and say, here I am, and this is what I do, and this is why I do it. And I'm not going to apologize for what I'm not. I am just going to be me.